Let's trade Quotex with Smart Trade Indicator. Take a look at the AUD, USD, has 1 minute buy alert. Let's see if this pair have high profit in return. It only give us 66% profit. It's not ideal to trade with low profit in return. But first, I will demonstrate to you on how do I trade, with the use of Smart Trade Indicator with its optimal settings. Just capture the entire window and edit your settings. This options will give you the best on-trade position than on its default settings. Be sure you have the secondary Smart Trade, or the Smart Trade 2. Then wait for the notification to pop up. You can download the indicator at ultimatefxtools.com. And also it have additional indicators you can trade from, with tools, strategies and more. To install the Metatrader and attach the indicator, see the description below on the tutorial process.